May hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Inang mapagmahal na totoo. Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo.
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Good health. Good health, mind and body. Ganun din, patuloy ang pagpapala ng Lord sa iyo. How I wish I'm with you celebrating your birthday, but I'm here, greeted you in video to express my love and gratitude to you, Mommy. Enjoy your day. I love you so much and God bless. Happy, happy, happy birthday once again. Mwah!
Hello! Hi, Mangkura! Happy birthday! More good health and more birthdays to come. I love you. God bless you. Bye!
Hello tita, happy birthday. Sabay ko mata ikan nakatpay na tigdog nga panagbiag ni Apo, ken pigsa, ken kired nagtrabaho. Tapno magunod mo ti amin nga arapaap mo iti pinagbiag. Ken ikan nakapay iti ado nga parabor ken iti pamilyam. Happy birthday tita. Enjoy. Keep safe. We love you. I love you, tita.
Happy birthday, Sisi! Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cora. I love you.
Go. Okay, there you go. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday po.
Okay.
Take
Naalala
care.
namin, take care. And I love you, bye-bye.
We'll be coming next year probably.
Oh, sige. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday
Bye-bye
again.
po.
Bye-bye.
Hey Mom, I'm just about to head out for work. I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday and may you continue to be blessed in the new year and for many years to come. We love you very much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cora. I hope you enjoy your day and always be careful. And thank you so much for being such a loving grandmother. And I miss you and I love you.
Hi, Mamang! Happiest birthday! Well, I will never know what I did to be blessed of such an incredible mother like you. A mother's love that you give us is something that you can't put into words. I will never forget that I will not be here without you, without all your prayers and guidance to me. So, 2 years ago, when I was in church, I heard this special song. That song, it reminds me of you because that song, it's like all about you. And the words are, when God made you as my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. Words is not enough to thank you for everything, Mamang. Thank you for adopting me. Thank you for being such a good mom and grandma to my daughter. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for always your prayers. And without your guidance, without all your prayers, I am not here who I am, in a better place that I can raise properly my daughter so that I can break the bad cycle of our family. Thank you for everything. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titig ay pag-ibig sa gagawin mo.